So this is my video on how to use adverbs. Adverbs can be used for all sorts of things, but in this case we're going to use adverbs of manner. Adverbs are what you use to qualify how a verb is done in this particular case. So like quickly or slowly or rapidly. They're quite easily formed in Spanish. Quite often in English where they end in ly, we just put mente on the end of an adjective. So we take the adjective, whatever that might be, we make it feminine, and then we add mente to the end. So quietly, for example, which is tranquilo. Tranquilo, we change the O to an A because that's how we make the feminine form of an adjective. And then we add mente on the end, so it becomes tranquilamente. Some adjectives, however, don't end in O. We know quite a few of those, but here's an example. Débil, for example, doesn't end in an O, and if there isn't an O on the end, we don't need to there isn't a feminine form to it, it stays the same. So in this case, we just add mente to the end. So it becomes débilmente. So can you change these ones? Grosero, which is rude, how would you do rudely? And feliz, which is happy, how would you do happily? And negativo, which is negative, how would you do negatively? If you pause it here, then you've got time to think about the answers. So the answers are groseramente, felizmente. Remember here there's no O on the end, so you just put mente on the end. And the last one, negativamente. There are two irregular ones, bien, which is well, not to be confused with bueno, which is good, and mal, which is badly, again not to be confused with malo, which is just bad. Where do they go in the sentence? They always go after the main verb. So in this case, entró felizmente, he went in happily. Habló groseramente, habló is the verb, groseramente is the adverb. And then one of the irregular ones, just giving an example, juego mal, so juego is the verb, mal is the adverb, al tenis. Okay, good, hope you've got it now. Rewind it back, have another listen if you're not sure how it works.